If you could only pick 5 products from your makeup bag, which ones would you pick? I asked myself the same question and this is my answer. Hello my lovelies, it's Addie here. Welcome back to my channel. So today I've decided to show you guys my everyday makeup look using only 5 products. That's right you guys, only 5 makeup products. That's what I use to create this look right here. I know that not everyone has the time to actually do a full glam type of look, so this is just something I came up with, an easy everyday makeup look. Just imagine how much time and energy and bag space you actually save if for your everyday makeup look you only use 5 products. This routine is actually such a life-saving routine for me, especially when I'm running late and when I have no time at all to do my makeup at home. I actually do this in the car. So this makeup look is very doable in a moving car, especially since here in the Philippines it's super traffic everywhere. So this is actually a look that I've done over and over again, right in the comforts of a moving car. So it's very possible to do this anywhere, anytime. I've even done it in the dark. So that is how easy this look is to create. These are the 5 products I used to create this everyday makeup look. I have a Revlon lipstick, Hairline brow liner, the Maybelline concealer, L'Oreal BB Veil, and the Everbalena Advance blush and bronzer duo. Before we get into the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and to click that notification bell so you can become one of my lovelies. So if you want to know how I created this look with just those 5 products, just keep on watching. Starting it off with a clear face, I actually just have eye cream and moisturizer on my face, so that's basically what you're seeing right now on my skin. I'm gonna start it off with the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. I think this is great to double as both a concealer and foundation, so that's why I'm starting it off with this. Let me just get some product out of this. So I'm just gonna conceal my T-zone. So I'm also highlighting my face. I know it looks like a lot and I kind of look like a deer right now, but don't worry about it. When you blend it out, that's when everything's just gonna come together. I'm just gonna be taking my favorite foundation brush and I'm gonna be blending it out. I basically use the concealer as foundation, but you know what? That's okay. That's actually the look I was going for, so I just wanted to cover as much of my face as I can, so that's what I did. I also chose this concealer because when you apply it as a base, it's not full coverage, it's just medium coverage, which is exactly what I'm going for this everyday look. Now I'm going to be setting my face with the L'Oreal Matte Magique BB Cream. This is something I really love. This is my ride or die face powder. I really have not used any other powder for my everyday look ever since I got this one. I am in the shade N2. They actually don't have creative names for the BB Veil, but that's okay. I'm just gonna be taking my foundation brush and I'm gonna be adding powder mainly to my T-zone, but also to set the whole face. I like to add a thick layer of powder on my under eyes so everything just stays put under there. Then I do the same to my T-zone, because my T-zone is actually the one that gets oily the most. Now I'm going to be taking this bigger and looser bristled brush to set the rest of my face. And my face is set. I actually really like this powder because it has coverage and it also blurs out my pores, which is something I really look for in a face powder, so that's why I'm super obsessed with this one. And it's actually just 300 pesos, so That's one of the great things about it too. It's not super expensive, so I can keep buying and buying it over and over again. Now I'm gonna be contouring my face. I'm gonna be using this Everbilena Advanced Blush Duo Palette in Rosy Chic. This is how it looks like inside. It has a blush pan and a contour pan, so I'm gonna be using this bronzer pan right here. I'm gonna be using this flat brush that I got from Forever 21, so I'm just gonna bronze up my whole face. Do you see the difference of bronzing? I've only bronzed the right side of my face just so you guys can see that bronzing really does have an effect on the overall look of the face. I mean, check it out. Check out the right side and the left side. Of course, I'm still gonna blend out my bronzer over here, but that's basically the effect. I know that a lot of people skip the bronzing step, but this is just something I cannot leave the house without. So this is something I definitely do every single day. I just can't not bronze my face. I really like the sculpted, glowy, bronzy look, so that's exactly what I do for my everyday look. Now I'm going to be using a more precise brush because I'm going to be defining my crease and also my nose. I've got to contour my nose. I can't leave the house also without contouring my nose. It's just, I think overall contouring is very important to me. I'm just going to be adding this to the crease, and I'm just going to concentrate it on the outer part of my crease, and then it goes lighter towards the inside. Then I use the excess of this brush to contour my nose. I also like to contour the under part of my lip, so my lip ends up looking bigger. Okay, I know I look kind of weird right now, but I'm gonna be blending this out, so it's gonna look so much better in a bit. I also like to take my bigger, looser brush and just make sure that everything's blended in so much more. Now I'm going to be doing my brows. I'm going to be using this Caroline Best Brow Liner. It is the Better Than Basic brow liner, and I am in the shade Taupe. I like this because it has brow liner on one end and it has a spoolie on the other side. So I'm going to start it with the spoolie, and then I'm going to fill it in with the liner. It really takes me a while to do my brow, especially this left brow, because I have two scars on it. I have one at the bottom and I have one on top. This Best Brow Liner actually covers it up really well. It works better than powder, and it's not, you know, too waxy either, so that's why I like this a lot. For the last step, I'm gonna be adding lipstick. This one is my Revlon Super Lustrous Lipstick in Pearl 420 Blush. So I'm just gonna add this to my lip. Now I'm gonna be adding the lipstick to my cheeks as blush. Adding lipstick as my blush is actually something I've always loved doing. It's just so much easier that way because your lipstick will always end up matching your cheeks, which is something that I think is very important. This is the finished look. This is my full face using only 5 products. If you want to elevate this look just a little bit and you want to transform it into a more dewy, glowy type of look, you can easily do that by adding highlighters. I prefer using cream highlighters for this because it gives you a more glow from within type of glow. Yeah, so that's the look I'm kind of going for since this is a everyday type of look. I'm gonna be using the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil. So this is actually not even a highlighter stick. This is just a, what is it? This is a Jumbo Eye Pencil stick. It is in the shade 611 in Yogurt. It has a rose gold shiny type of glow to it, and I think this looks really great, especially on my skin tone, so this is what I use. And it's also very, very easy to apply. All you have to do is apply it to the high points of your face. and just blend it out. I'm also gonna add on my chin, my cupid's bow, the tip of my nose, and I'll just draw a little line. There you have it. This is the elevated look. I just added a subtle glow to the high points of my face, and I think it makes it look more healthy, glowy, and dewy, which is something I really like looking like every single day. So that's why highlighter is very important to me, but it's not a necessity. That's why it was just like a bonus tip for this video. But yeah, I think it makes it look so much better. But you know, if it's not for you, you don't have to put it. I think the 5 products that we used earlier, I think that's enough, especially for a really beautiful everyday look. That's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.